Hey guys, it's Shay. Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? So we're back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, you know the vibes. And as you guys can already tell by today's title, today we're going to be taking a trip. I'm super excited for this video because I don't even know how it's going to turn out, but I just know it's going to be super fun and just so much great content. So I decided to film today. I'm actually doing something super different, something I've never done before. We're actually going to take a train in Miami. So you guys know I'm in town from school, and this new train called, I believe, Brightline train just opened up a couple days ago. It's like those nice fancy trains, and they take you to Orlando, West Palm Beach, and like I'm really excited to get on this train and explore our city and see what it's like. So I'm gonna be taking you guys on with me. We're gonna be going to West Palm Beach today on the train. West Palm Beach is probably like, I think, an hour away from me. So I'm super excited to be going. I don't have anyone that we know there. We're just gonna be like spending a day, and then we're gonna be coming right back on the train. So I'm super excited for this fun experience. We're gonna be getting a whole bunch of great content, so I'm super excited, and I can't wait for you guys to see and keep watching. And I really can't wait to see and take this train also, because I've never took a train in Miami ever. I've taken a train in New York City, I've taken a train in Canada, never taken a train in Miami. So I'm pretty excited, and this is new for our city, because you know everyone has cars, everyone has Uber, and we don't really take trains around here. Let's enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So we just got to the train station. We're just, Mom! I'm sorry. Are we supposed to like go inside, or we don't know how this works, y'all. We're just traveling the world.
Wow, that's really retro.
Upstairs, just walking around and looking at the restaurants and the food stops, and then they have like a common lounge that we're walking to right now, because right now it's currently 2:17, but our boarding is at 2:30 because our train, the train that we booked, leaves at 2:48. So boarding's at 2:30. We're gonna try to get on early so we can get like first pick on seats. And yeah, we're going to the common lounge right now to check it out, see what's up, see what's in there. Super excited to take the train, y'all. Hi. Hey guys, we're on a train now, and we're about to leave. It's currently, it's 2:47. The train leaves at 2:48, so we're super excited to leave and get going and see what's up. Hey guys, we're about to leave. We're taking off. Oh, he said hi. This is so cool. Smoke it out. Yeah.
Welcome to Brightline. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the information booklet located in your seat pocket. Inside, you'll find safety and emergency exit information. Snacks and beverages will be served and are available for purchase for guests in our smart coach, and complimentary for those riding in premium.
Wow, that's really retro.
my god, I'm gonna just walk over here because they talking too much, they walking too much going on. But hey guys, what's up? As you guys can tell, we made it. I'm actually recording on my phone, so sorry for the quality. My camera died and I totally forgot to bring extra batteries, so sorry about that, but we're still not gonna miss out on the footage. And also, one of my nails came off, just PSA, just wanted to say that. But right now, we came in not too long ago. We've already spent like 30 minutes walking around and just looking at the beautiful scenery, you guys. It is gorgeous, and I can't wait for you guys to see the footage because it's so pretty. Right now we're walking around trying to find a place to eat because we're so hungry. So yeah, it looks so gorgeous here. Like, the scenery is beautiful, the sun, like everything is so nice, and I love it here. Like, we made it. We're in West Palm Beach, so it's kind of like a getaway little trip that we took. And obviously we're on foot because we don't have a car, and we took the train here, so we're on foot. So yeah, but I like doing that though. Like, the scenery is beautiful, everything is nice. And I still have my pimple patch from this morning. I might take it off because it's been there for a couple hours. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Right now we're about to find something to eat. Yeah.
Wow, that's really retro.
Hey guys, sorry if you guys hear any background noise. I'm walking by the train station right now. It's currently like 8 o'clock and we're just now walking back. We had food, walked around, shopped, we looked into stores, like we looked at so many beautiful places, and now we're walking to the train station. Our train leaves about, I believe, at like 9:48, so we're just walking and we're about to just chill inside because we have nothing better to do. Like, we literally been walking. I have my book bag on, and my mom and Kadera, all of them are back there, and we're just chilling and just enjoying the scenery, the view, the weather. Like, today was actually good weather, and it started getting pretty cold, so I threw on my jacket. Thankfully I brought it with me, but so far experience been pretty good. Like, we're having so much fun, you know. Like, I don't regret coming here. Like, I actually love it, and you know, it's just so pretty to just explore new places, new cities in Florida, and not just stay so centered in Miami. So right now we're walking inside the bus station to just chill in the lounge area and see, you know, what's there. But this is the Brightline train that we're about to take to go back home. So yeah.
almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I'll never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my phone, girl, tell your best friend to decide to on the location. I don't want to see me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tight crew. They won't tell cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on your own, I'll be waiting.
Enjoy your ride. As a reminder, face masks are required for everyone's safety. They comply with federal.
If I could, I would take the pain away. I don't see that smile I made. You already make plans that ain't with me.
Hey guys, we're on the train on our way back to Miami. We're about like 45 minutes away. So she's just on her phone, ready to touch down and be in my bed.
Zany boss, once I go, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my ass. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, you bitch they hate, and you play this, but you never had. Hey, I'm the juice, Cody got me tripping. I'm the cool, on the roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was tripping. You wanna waste my time? I can tell you really hate your life. Bitch, your watch the same as mine. It's out of fame, out of fame. Money calling, need space. Zany boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my ass. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch they hate, and you play this, but you never had.